Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching marginal costing. Now let us start with question number 2. Following information is available in respect of G Limited and D Limited. So in the given table, the sales, variable cost and profit amount is given for G Limited and D Limited. Calculate first PV ratio, second fixed cost, third break even point, fourth sales to earn profit of rupees 2,10,000 by each company, fifth margin of safety of D Limited. So let us start with the solution. First, calculation of PV ratio. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales into 100. So contribution can be written as sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. For G Limited, sales amount is 11 lakh. So we'll record it 11 lakhs minus variable cost, which is given as 8,80,000 for G Limited, divided by sales, which is 11 lakhs into 100, which will be equal to 20%. So the PV ratio for G Limited is 20%. Next, D Limited, sales amount is rupees 14 lakhs for D Limited. So we'll record it rupees 14 lakhs minus variable cost. For D Limited, it is given as 10,50,000 divided by sales, which is 14 lakhs into 100, which will be equal to 25%. So PV ratio for D Limited is 25%. Second, calculation of fixed cost. So contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So fixed cost is equal to contribution minus profit. So for G Limited, contribution amount is 11 lakh minus 8,80,000, which will be 2,20,000 minus profit. So the profit amount is given as rupees 1,20,000 for G Limited, which will be equal to rupees 1 lakh. Next, for D Limited, contribution amount is 14 lakhs minus 10,50,000, that is sales minus variable cost. So the amount of contribution for D Limited will be rupees 3,50,000 minus profit. So profit amount is given as 2 lakhs for D Limited, which will be equal to rupees 1,50,000. Third, calculation of break-even point. Break-even point is equal to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. For G Limited, fixed cost amount is rupees 1 lakh. So we'll record it rupees 1 lakh divided by PV ratio. So PV ratio we have calculated as 20% for G Limited. So we'll record it 20%, which will be equal to rupees 5 lakhs. Next, D Limited, fixed cost amount is rupees 1,50,000 for D Limited divided by PV ratio. So PV ratio we have calculated as 25% for D Limited, which will be equal to rupees 6 lakhs. Fourth, calculation of sales to earn profit of rupees 2,10,000. So required sales is equal to fixed cost plus required profit, or which is also known as desired profit, divided by PV ratio. So for G Limited, fixed cost amount is rupees 1 lakh plus required profit, which is 2,10,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 20%, which will be equal to rupees 15,50,000. Next, D Limited, which is equal to fixed cost amount is given as 1,50,000 plus required profit, which is 2,10,000 divided by PV ratio, which is 25%, which will be equal to rupees 14,40,000. Fifth, calculation of margin of safety for D Limited. So margin of safety is equal to actual sales minus break-even sales. For D Limited, which is equal to actual sales amount is given as rupees 14 lakhs minus break-even sales. So break-even sales for D Limited is given as rupees 6 lakh, which will be equal to rupees 8 lakhs.